New earning method in this video again. The link of the website is below on description of this video. I highly recommend to use this link. Watch the video till the end for getting understand the whole making money process. Let's quickly get to know about platform and how it works. CRIPTOly platform is our topic for today. Let's first of all get acquainted with the terms of use. 1. Terms. By accessing the website at URL, you are agreeing to be bound by these terms of service, all applicable laws and regulations, and agree that you are responsible for compliance with any applicable local laws. If you do not agree with any of these terms, you are prohibited from using or accessing this site. The materials contained in this website are protected by applicable copyright and trademark law. 2. Use license. A. By using CRIPTOly service you may not. I use a proxy or VPNs. 2. Create multiple accounts. 3. Use pop-up blocker. IV. Use ad or script blockers at block na script, etc. B. Use short link bypassers. Vi. Attempt to decompile or reverse engineer any software contained on CRIPTOly's website. B. This license shall automatically terminate if you violate any of these restrictions, and may be terminated by CRIPTOly at any time. Upon terminating your using of these services, you must not have another account, or try to create a new one. 3. Disclaimer. A. The materials on CRIPTOly's website are provided on an as-is basis. CRIPTOly makes no warranties expressed or implied, and hereby disclaims and negates all other warranties including without limitation, implied warranties or conditions of merchantability, fitness for a particular purpose or non-infringement of intellectual property or other violation of rights. B. Further, CRIPTOly does not warrant or make any representations concerning the accuracy, likely results, or reliability of the use of the materials on its website or otherwise relating to such materials, or on any sites linked to this site. 4. Limitations. In no event shall CRIPTOly or its suppliers be liable for any damages including without limitation damages for loss of data or profit, or due to business interruption arising out of the use or inability to use the materials on CRIPTOly's website even if CRIPTOly or a CRIPTOly authorized representative has been notified orally or in writing of the possibility of such damage. Because some jurisdictions do not allow limitations on implied warranties or limitations of liability for consequential or incidental damages, these limitations may not apply to you. 5. Accuracy of materials. The materials appearing on CRIPTOly's website could include technical, typographical, or photographic errors. CRIPTOly does not warrant that any of the materials on its website are accurate, complete, or current. CRIPTOly may make changes to the materials contained on its website at any time without notice. However, CRIPTOly does not make any commitment to update the materials. 6. Links. CRIPTOly has not reviewed all of the sites linked to its website, and is not responsible for the contents of any such linked site. The inclusion of any link does not imply endorsement by CRIPTOly of the site. Use of any such linked website is at the user's own risk. 7. Modifications. CRIPTOly may revise these terms of service for its website at any time without notice. By using this website you are agreeing to be bound by the then current version of these terms of service. Okay, let's register first. I use Google for signing up. I am done and I am in already. Here is information. Add new Offerwall Pollfish with tons of news tasks. Complete and get your coins now. Add new Offerwall Jungle Survey, view Sliceshows and engage kit, view videos. Check them out. Sorry for interruption. This is our new financial video. Please give us your support by subscribing to our channel, give likes to our videos and comment your impression and questions. Here is also payment proof information. Then how to earn. We have some opportunities here. Offerwalls. PTC ads. Short link and claim. Also the most important one is referral program. As I said in my previous videos, the referral program may make you make money for you without your working. Only a lot of friends who registered using your referral link and made money, they will make extra money for you too. Refer friend and earn coin. Refer someone and you will receive 25% income when they complete any task in our service. 25%. Share your link with friends. Note, Your referral need to verify their email before you can get income from them. Okay, let's check earning categories. Offerwalls. First, CPX Research has a wide variety of surveys, pays for disqualifications and offers bonuses. Worth checking out. Type survey. Wannads has many mobile app install offers that pay well. Type survey, apps tasks. Toro has many mobile app install offers that pay well. Type survey, sign up, install apps video. Complete easy surveys and earn cryptos. Pollfish is unique among all. Type survey. Get paid for every 10 YouTube videos you watch. Videos can be played in the background passively. This offer wall is known to send a lot of chargebacks after completing tasks. Proceed at your own risk. Type video. Hold 3 days. Get paid by viewing Sliceshows. This offer wall is known to send a lot of chargebacks after completing tasks. Proceed at your own risk. Type Sliceshow. Hold 3 days. Then, BC.Game, play fun and earn crypto. BC.Game is based on the community and aims to have the best player experience on crypto casino. We are convinced that the blockchain will change the online casino industry. 4.20 coins in 15 seconds. Here is short links that you can view them repeatedly as much as you can and earn coins. Then, claim. Check reCAPTCHA, then wait 10 seconds. And cancel away the ads when you try and claim coins. Okay, I did it and claimed coins for free. That's all guys, let's earn. Thanks guys for watching. This was our new financial video, and by the way, subscribe to our channel, give likes and comment your impression and questions. Good luck guys.